Hello everybody and welcome to this product design tutorial in which I'm going to show you a process, how easy it is to prototype a desk lamp in Shapr3D. We will start first by actually bringing in, as you can see, a light fixture. Then we will design all the sketches and step by step then also build all the individual bodies and then do a nice product material exploration inside Shapers Viso. With all that, let's do it. It's a short video, trust me. So let's start with a new empty scene. Make sure snaps are on, we are in inches, and to design something like a table lamp that goes onto a table, ideally we need two things. First, take some measurements. How tall, how wide should this lamp be? 5 inches, 3 feet. No, take measurements with a ruler really is helpful. And we need to have ideally a representation of a light body. In the description of this video is a download link. Download the file and then go to import to current project. And we're going to import the LED lamp. This one actually I got from GrabCAD. So let's zoom out a little bit. What can I do now? I can select actually the folder and move this light body to somewhere and I don't know, just rotate it. Okay. But I mentioned also take measurements because we need to figure out, well, uh, where and how high from the ground or table surface do we want this? So when I took measurements, I felt like 15 inches is kind of good. So I will start with a sketch. Here's a line that goes up. So there you can see already enough. That is 15. There we are. Okay. And I'm going to create basically now also kind of like a line. Okay. So there we are. And this, I move further down. Very good. Now here, so this is actually a 15-inch line. I keep this one here. So actually I can see this as a reference. Very good. I can select this one, move this one back to here, for example, to prototype this a little bit more. Good. Then obviously we don't want to be blinded by the light bulb. So we need to design actually a housing that goes around it. So in the sketch now, I will draw somewhere a line and another line and another line. And then actually I will come with an arc and kind of like try to close this one. The arc to this line should be 90 degrees. The line to this line should be 90, so perpendicular, and the same here, 90. And then the arc to this line should be 180, so it's tangent. Very good. Okay, good. I will hide actually this light body here for a moment. So I can select this one and move this around. If I click on this and lock it, I can rotate this, stretch it around. Very good. So this is kind of like here the height. So how do I continue now? I will do the following. I will select this line and attach it to, now we can say maybe here the midpoint. Very good. Then this line to this line, that should be 90. Very good. Okay. Then actually you see dimensions here start to change. So let's say we make this 5 and we make this actually 2. And now when you see this goes up and down, I'm rotating actually this part. That's actually quite nice. I will always show dimensions off so I don't see them all the time. That is actually quite good. This one here we can unlock. And then we do the following. I'm going to draft in an arc. There we are. Then I will trim all that away and make the arc to the line tangent. There, very good. Beautiful, because now I can move this around, and to specify an angle with that, I can now rotate it. Cool. I'm still kind of like prototyping, envisioning where is the lamp. So this is 15 inches. So maybe we set this to 3, and this maybe we set to 4. And now I can move this one further up. Okay, there. Very good. 115. Cool. So now check out what we can do next. I will select this, and then do revolve. And then I will select the inside, go shell, and say 0.1. Beautiful. Here comes now the fun thing. I go to show actually our body again, and now I want to perfectly align this light bulb inside that body. So that light bulb I select, I go to align, and I need to select maybe this face to that face. And then, yeah, that is okay. What about this one more time? So align, and I say maybe this ring to this ring. Ah, look, with this ring, then I actually can move this one up. So be careful now with face, we align them face, and edge. That is actually working different. Now I can move this one really up. I can bring this to the inside or let this actually stick out a little bit. Cool, beautiful. Okay, that's actually quite nice. So if I go back to the sketch and change this now to 100, look what happens. Everything is moved around. That is quite cool. So the align command is being updated. This was actually the most complicated element we needed to design. We can then actually start thinking about the base and also how the pipe, how this is connected. Maybe I'm going to do the pipe first. This is actually here on the ground. This first line was on the x-axis, so I draw actually 1/2 inch of a pipe, and then I sweep that one along there. There we are. Very good. Yeah, that feels good. Now the gravity will be right under here. So I can go to sketch, but now to the side. And I will design myself here a new base. There, and there. One midline, that is important for the revolve command. Then I can, for example, specify, well, what is that distance? So 1 inch. Okay, you to here. Let's revolve this. Well, it looks like a really big base now. We can agree. Maybe we can select this edge, drag this further in. There, you see, no, that works actually much better. Beautiful. So more like we are push and pulling, we are fine tuning actually how this looks. This is maybe a tick too high. Yeah, there. Or was the thicker one better? No. Very good. We need also a button. Let's very quickly prototype something that looks like a button. So here, one line up, over and down, and one line up, over and down. Very good. And then revolve and revolve. There we are. Physically, does this look? Feels a little bit big, but position-wise, maybe it's not bad. So we want to make everything horizontal vertical. We could say U and U actually be equal. So make this 0.1, then the rest goes 0.1. We can make this 0.5. And whoops, sorry for the rotation. This one, let's say 0.8. And then this we make 0.7. There we are. How far should this be away from there? Let's say 2 inches. Yeah. Okay, very good. Beautiful. So from this base, always a question, how is this connected? Is this welded together? Let's simply go with a union. There we are. Also here and you, let's say that's one piece. Very good. Okay. We're actually now ready to simply go to the Visu to do our first quick material assignment. This light emitting area, we go to change and then go utility, and that should be the illumination emissive material. That's beautiful. We might want to change also the color a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it looks nice and warm. And then for the button here, let's say that is going to be, yeah, definitely a plastic. We can actually make this maybe kind of like maybe a silicone. So it's kind of like soft when you touch it, you know where it is. And the rest here, and this one, change. This could be made out of plastic, for example. Let's say a PVC if we want to make this also red. There we are. Cool. Okay. Maybe go to environment. How would this look in a dark one? There, okay. Pretty nice. Maybe play a little bit with the colors and the background. And a little bit of fine tuning. Now we can see the base looks a little bit too big. So what can we do? First, we can go to that sketch. And here's, I think, where's that distance thing? Why don't I see this there? There it is. So maybe we make this 1 inch. Very good. This maybe we make 1.5. Okay. We can bring this a little bit further. So there you see, okay, now weight-wise, that is still good. Beautiful. We go to this 140. Now it's like actually, now I'm looking into the light bulb, so maybe 110. Now actually the light nicely goes down, 115. Very good. This maybe we make shorter. Ah, yeah, this actually starts to feel a tick better. Very good. The size of the housing is actually good. Maybe I would like to change this alignment. So you see I click on alignment, I can bring this actually further in. So technically speaking, as long as I don't look from below, then I'm not really looking right into the light bulb. Looking from the side. So that is a straight edge down. Definitely a stable design. Yeah, okay, good. Maybe at this point we can do some last touch-ups. We can round these a little bit, 0.05, 0.1, you and you and you, 0.01 there. And also here, 0.1. Oh, you actually not fused together. Funny. So there's the swept body. Let's go back to here, insert breakpoint. Ah, okay, so you and you just join together. Very good. And then at the end of the timeline here, we're going to, what? Oh, I think I have an idea why this doesn't work. Undo. Let's go back to here. Why did this not join? Well, it doesn't intersect. I forgot that. So this face, we bring inwards a little bit, make sure it does not go completely through. So it's inside, and then you and you join. I think I did this before, but I didn't see that the command didn't really work out. There we are. Bring this to the end. Cool. Now with these tiny edges, now we got some nice highlights. Very good. Maybe can simulate maybe like an evening environment with a dark blue color, or a nice morning, or just go with a neutral black. But anyway, that is actually how easy it is to prototype a very simple desk lamp. Bringing in a reference object, taking some measurements, and then actually step by step, we're going to explore well-fitting proportions. And with all that, we're done.